In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back button in Elementor, giving your website visitors an easy way to navigate back to the previous page. This is a useful feature for improving user experience, and we'll walk through the entire process step by step. First, begin by logging into your WordPress site, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your website's login page. Enter your credentials to access the WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Pages section. You can find this option on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on it to see a list of all the pages you've created for your website. Next, choose the page where you'd like to add the back button. Hover over the page name and you'll see the option to edit the page. Click on Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor page builder. This tool allows you to design your page using a drag and drop interface, making it perfect for users with any level of experience. With Elementor opened, look for the button widget in the left-hand menu. Click and drag it to the area on the page where you want the button to appear. Once the button is in place, click on it to bring up its settings in the left menu. Here you can customize the text of the button, enter something straightforward like go back to let your visitors know exactly what this button is for. Next, you'll want to enhance your button with an icon. Click on the icon option within the button settings, choose an icon you think represents the back function nicely, and click Insert to add it to your button. Icons can communicate functionality at a glance, making your website more intuitive for users. Now that your button looks great, navigate to the Advanced tab in the button settings. Here, find the CSS ID field and assign a unique ID such as Go Back. This ID will help when we add the script to make the button functional. Switch back to the widgets panel and search for the HTML widget. Drag this widget to your page, preferably near your button. In the code field that appears, type in the JavaScript or HTML code needed to make the button operational. A simple code snippet to take users back to the previous page could involve a line like window.history.back. Integrating this code will ensure that when users click the button, they're taken back to their last visited page. Finally, after doing all these steps, don't forget to click Publish to make these changes live on your site. Review your changes by visiting the page and testing the button to ensure it works as expected. By following this tutorial, you've now enhanced your website with a useful back button which can greatly improve user navigation and experience.